Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian here from J&P. Today we're here to talk to you about chains, sprockets, and the sizes and how do they differ. Over on your left, we have two chains. We have a 530 and a 520. The 530 on the left is a much wider, larger chain for bikes, usually 1300 cc's or greater, sport touring, or very high horsepower application bikes. On the right, we have a 520. It's a little narrower. It's a lighter chain, good to put it on a 600 or 1000, not gonna last as long. On the bike, it does come stock with a 525. That is the OEM replacement. You can go up or down, just know where the changes are. You can get lighter, but not as strong, heavier, but stronger. We also have some sprockets here. Sprockets from RK, Vortex, and Driven. We have a lot of other brands, but these are what we're here to show you today. You can get sprockets in many different sizes and colors depending on whether you want quicker acceleration or more top speed. Check us out at jpcycles.com and thanks for watching.